Why travel abroad, do menial jobs in order to earn $1, paying that huge sum of tax to the government, while you can sit in your comfort zone, trade the xauusd, gold, USD currency pairs or any other forex currency pairs and make a minimum of $1,000 weekly consistently? My name is Kingsley and this is Lion King Forex Academy, where we raise disciplined traders. As a day trader, I documented a couple of the live trade I took last week so you can see how I trade. But take note, when taking any trade, you have to ensure that all time frame tells the same story. That's a positive entry signal before you take any trades. And also, I also documented how I handle news release when you are in the middle or stuck in the middle of a trade, how you can handle it where you don't have a loss or any issue, you don't have any worries about it. Let's dive into this video so I can show you how it's done. We're about to take a profit of $170. We just take a profit of $170. That should be about more than 300k or equivalent. Trading gold. I'm going to let you know how or why we took this trade. Remember, I told you about this, my account balance. I funded it 105. That was last week or so, but now we have grown it to 371. You know, I told you that I'm not like all the forex traders talk about $10,000 that do have plenty of accounts with the money inside, but I try to teach, or I try to educate you on how to use a small account, grow it and all that, and make money. Okay, now why I took this trade? Well, let me take away this line. You can see normally the gold is an uptrend. The gold has been an uptrend even 4 hours back. 4 hours candle chart, it's an uptrend. 1 hour is an uptrend. 30 minutes time frame is an uptrend, 15 minutes is an uptrend, and like that. So you should know that you're trading gold, you look for a good position and trade up. This is a pure bullish or buy trend. You've seen a hammer, you are seeing another, you waited on another indicator here. You take a trade here, and I did, and it went boom boom boom, and it came to this place, and it was just, there was some consolidation like a shopping market here. Then I was not shaking, the trade continues like this and all that. When I told you about confirming another candlestick, if you go to the 30 minutes, you can see the 30 minutes, this is where I marked. The 30 minutes already showed a hammer. What was the 1 hour showing? Look at it, it was a hammer. The 4 hours candle time frame was showing like a hammer, although it looks like a doji too. It's very clear that I'll be documenting all my trades this week and why I took the trades. We just took our profit. You can see now, if you check at the 1 minute time frame, shows there's an uptrend. You can see the yellow, green, and that's there. And if you check at the 5 minutes time frame, you can see, you know, we entered at this point. You can see there was a movement already, and normally you should know that this is a bullish, that's an uptrend. The 15 minutes that we entered the trade was because we saw this long momentum candle. You can see it had a shape head and a shape bottom issue, and if you check the 30 minutes candle pattern, you can see there's a lot of wick here, and we entered, and you can see when we have the up, but the up head was not shaven. That was why we took this particular trade and went continuously like this. Okay, we just took our profit. Every time frame must tell a story. The 1 hour talked about engulfing, so we entered. The 30 minutes, the same thing, it's like an engulfing. Then the 15 minutes, you can see this build, and it touched the RSI bottom. I did a double trade. We just took the profit. Now you can see it increased. Now remember that there was news came in, news broke in, and I reduced my stop loss, and I lost about 10 cents because of the news. You understand? If I had still maintained my stop loss that was around here, the news could have broke and won't hit my stop loss. The news came down here, and I entered a trade at this place. You understand? Because I sensed it. There's still an uptrend, so it will still go up. And I set my stop loss there, which you saw, and boom, it was a win. Okay, you can see it just took profit. Now you ask, why did I take this trade? This engulfing, and I wait for another candle confirmation. Then I enter. Now in 30 minutes, you can see already an engulfing in 30 minutes time frame. So that's it. On of my account, $20.15. I'm about to grow it. I'll grow it $1,000 and I'll drop it. I want to give you another way on how you can still trade news. Because we are expecting the news by 1:30, expecting about $30. So what you do now is to take your profit. Since your take profit is about 18, you take a profit as I'm about to do now. Then you now initiate another buy transaction again. Then you reduce your stop loss. Should be something like, let's say at this place we increase our take profit to about $12. Yeah, so when you added the 12 plus the initial 18, that's about 30 USD. Okay, you can see 130, we have a news, then it's about to hit 130, and you can see it was perfect. It went our way, it went up. So you can see how I handled that news release when I was stuck in a trade. You know, I was on a 50% winning rate, so I took the 50% profit. Then I initiated immediately another buy trade to gain the remaining 50% of the trade. Meaning that even if the news goes to my favor, I'm winning back the 50%. Even if the news goes against me, I'm losing at least 25% of what I initially won. I don't lose anything. I end up winning and winning and winning. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.